Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to use Claude Code to grow on social media exponentially. So here's the report that it created for me. I basically asked it to analyze 1,900 videos from my competitors on YouTube and study my niche super deeply, understand what people actually want, what are their problems, what are the video concepts that work versus what is not actually working. And it gave me super personalized advice tailored to my YouTube channel. As you can see, here are all the videos that it analyzed, and in total they got almost 90 million views, and it even found out over 400 outlier videos, meaning a video that performed way above average on this specific channel of the competitor. And obviously I would never be able to analyze this amount of data, and the insights that I found out using Claude Code, they are insane. I'm quite sure that my YouTube channel will explode very soon, even though it is happening already now. And this video is not only about YouTube, you will be able to apply that to other social media like Instagram, TikTok as well. By the way, for the context, I'm growing my YouTube channel, and in the past 30 days, I generated over 80,000 views. I attracted more than 1.8 thousand new followers, and we're keep growing. And I'm sure that with this advice, we're just going to the moon. So this report, it contains in-depth analysis of thumbnails, of titles, of concepts. We scraped every single transcript of every single video. So the depth of the analysis, you just cannot comprehend it. And with this, you're not anymore guessing on what content to make, what might work. You will not waste any more time, you will just go straight to the point, straight to things that work. So this video will have three parts. First of all, I'll show you my report, what this looks like inside, all the interesting data that we were able to collect. Then we'll discuss how to set it up in less than 10 minutes, even if you're non-technical. And finally, I'll show you the secret that made this report work 5x better than originally. Like just having one prompt and getting it, the value was not good enough. I will show you the secret to make it insanely valuable specifically to you. So let's dive in. So the first part, let's look inside this report. As you can see, here are all the videos that we've analyzed, and then the main part here is actionable tips. And here I'm using something called ICE score. Impact multiplied by confidence multiplied by ease. Basically, when we have multiple ideas of what we can work on, we want to prioritize them. And by calculating this score for every single idea, we're identifying things that are the most impactful, that we're the most confident in, and that are the easiest to implement. And by doing that, we have things that will yield us return and actually money and actually views as fast as possible. So here it is. As you can see, the first advice, the first topic is 1000. So it is like 10 out of 10 on every single scale. And this is very applicable to me, to my YouTube channel. And we have way more pieces of advice in here. As you can see, these are the best, the most like low-hanging fruits thing. Then we have do soon, and then we have a bit later on down the line ideas. But we have almost 20 different ideas to implement. And I'm telling you, they are insanely on point, insanely valuable. This is not random BS that ChatGPT just told you and you will never implement it. No, no, no. Okay? And then we have all the contents of this big report, because this thing is, yeah, like it's a report that people will usually spend maybe 1 month to do, like one person. I have no idea. That's why it's actually long. But trust me, it is worth it. When you're building your social media presence, then your business starts to thrive if you do it right. So one of the things that we did was thumbnail analysis. So I basically used Claude Code to scrape every single thumbnail and understand what are the different parts of it. In this case, obviously we have the logo of Claude Code, we have the text, and we have the face, right? In this part, let's say we have some sort of like visualization of workflows, then the text, then this word complete course. And then it is trying to like compare different points of data, different points of evidence, and combine them together to come up with some pattern, with some idea that is working across multiple channels. That's why we can trust it more, and that's why it is actually has higher chances of yielding success to us. So here, as you can see, all the data points related to thumbnails. What is the percentage of thumbnails that were with this type of thing? Here is like 15% of thumbnails has this element to them. And by the way, all this analysis can be used for Instagram Reels, for instance, as well. For Instagram Reel, the thumbnail is basically the first 3 to 5 seconds of the video. It's basically a moment when a person is deciding whether to watch that or not to watch that. And we can also use Gemini for Instagram videos, because we need to actually download the video, look at the visuals, and Gemini from Google is amazing at that, and you will get this information. So you will be informing your content pipeline like crazy. Okay, then anchor elements. What is appearing the most frequently? This is like more in-depth analysis of thumbnails, what the actual parts that you might want to include into your thumbnails as well. Then text overlay patterns that win. Also, many thumbnails that perform well in my specific niche of AI automation, they have specific text. And the words that are used there, they're quite repeatable across multiple successful channels. So we can study that. And here are specific actionable insights for thumbnails specifically for me based on my channel and my journey. Also, here are like high-level analysis of what is going on in my niche. As you can see, Claude Code is exploding, NA10 already peaked and now it is declining. You probably know that. And then agency building content is consistently just stable or maybe growing slightly. People are actually interested in that. And also educational content fatigue, maybe learn skills kind of angle is working less than it worked before. And let's look at this chart. This is amazing. Like, it is calculating high average views. It's finding what are the topics that are actually interesting, but with low video count. So kind of think of the ideas that are actually valuable with high demand, but for some reason the niche is underserved. For some reason, the amount of videos on that topic is not big enough. And as you can see here, WhatsApp automation is like top tier. People are actually insanely interested in this topic, but amount of videos on YouTube is actually small about that. And then we go from the most interesting ideas to implement videos about to the least interesting ideas, right? So I might do videos about agency building, about personal brand, about WhatsApp. And now I have way more chances because I'm competing less with overcrowded parts of my niche. And here's the breakdown of audience desires, what people actually want. As you can see, people are really scared about their job being replaced. That's why this is the most popular topic. Then they want to make money. Then they want to, let's say, stay current, save time, build product. And the least important thing for them is go viral. Like, we're collecting a bit more knowledge about how the niche is structured. And obviously, it is very complicated because this niche, it has like, I don't know, maybe 10 million people inside of it. All the people, they have different desires. And to increase our chances of getting more views and getting more conversions into our business, we might as well understand that deeply. Claude Code also did the whole analysis of my own YouTube channel because I don't want to get random advice. I want advice that is insanely tailored to me because I already have my audience, more than 16,000 people, and they are very specific. They have their specific interest and desire. And I basically told Claude Code, hey, scrape every single video that I got, understand the amount of views, try to understand what is the part of my audience that is interested in, let's say, AI for marketing. What is the part of my audience that is interested in AI for LinkedIn? And then by doing that, we have more in-depth understanding on how our next content will perform. Because you know what? Algorithm does not like when you're posting videos about something completely unrelated to what your audience expects. If I'm making a video about fitness, then trust me, even if it's the best video on earth about fitness, it will tank on my YouTube channel because this is how algorithm works. So understanding my specific channel and maybe in your case, your specific TikTok account or your specific, let's say, Facebook account is crucial because otherwise advice will not be tailored to your situation. By the way, I have to check out of this apartment in less than 10 minutes. So I'm literally recording this video like right before I'll pack my bags and go out here. So let's continue. As you can see here, AI identified audience segments, so automation beginners, then content creators, then B2B marketers, and AI SaaS builders. So now we have a better understanding on how to craft new video concepts. And here's a bit more information about the strategy analysis, specifically for my channel, how the positioning should look like, then the packaging rules, about how we want to package the title of the video, the thumbnail of the video, to kind of create the right perception for our content and for our brand. And here's the school community funnel. Now I have just a free community, but I might as well launch a paid community because I see that Claude Code is insane. I love it. Like, it is so much better than NA10. I am a software engineer by trade, and for that reason, like, I feel like the possibility right now is absolutely endless, and I'm getting a lot of inquiries about help me learn Claude Code, help me install it in my business, help me use it for content creation. So many people want to understand, want to be hands-on on this tool, and that's why I might as well monetize this idea, and that's why this report should be also informed about what is the business outcome that we want to drive, because this is not just views, trust me. And here's another section which is about what to avoid. This is very important because I got a video with 95,000 views on my YouTube channel, and in the thumbnail and in the title we had a word free. And guess what? It attracted a whole bunch of people who will never pay for anything. They are from countries with very low level of income, and these people will not accelerate my business. And Claude is saying, don't include the word free in your titles, it will not help you monetize, it will actually create a wrong association. And that is absolutely correct. And now I understand it, and now I will never do that mistake again. And then finally we have top 50 outlier videos. So these are the best performing videos that are insanely breaking out in my niche across the whole year of the past analysis, and we can study them more in depth and understand why exactly they went viral. And in case if you're doing that for TikTok, you will have like 50 best videos on TikTok from your competition across the time period that you wanted to analyze. So you will be able to actually open them up, study them, give them to your team, and then inform your decisions afterwards. Now let's move on to the second part, which is how to set it up. It is pretty easy. First of all, you need to install VS Code if you don't have it yet. So this is the interface which we will use to run Claude Code. And by the way, the whole instruction will be down below, so don't worry, you will have the step-by-step guide. Okay, next, when we have the VS Code, inside of it we will install Claude Code. It's very simple, you will just check out down below. Then, the only thing that we really need to build this report, to get all this data, is API. This is a tool that helps you scrape any sort of social media data. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, it got you covered. It can also use Google Trends if you want to, because there are so many interesting data sources that might inform your decisions. Basically, you're just creating an account here, and you will get a whole bunch of scraping capacity for free when you're starting out. But then if you want more, you can always like pay as you go. You'll create an account, you will copy an API key here, and then you will just add it to your Claude Code project. So you will have a specific file with the API key, and then Claude Code will know that, okay, now I'm able to scrape any sort of data. And you might be asking, why would we need to use API? We can just ask to Claude Code to scrape. But no, it does not work like that, because all the social media platforms that try to ban scraping capabilities, that's why we need a separate third-party tool that is already specifically built for this reason. And then what I did personally, I just went through my subscriptions on YouTube. I've selected all the competitors that I think are interesting, that I think are capable, and I just gave all this list to Claude Code, and I told it, hey bro, analyze all of their videos in the past 1 year. Even though if it will be like more than 1,000, and it turned out almost 2,000 videos, but I said it, analyze them, and I don't care about it at all. And then I also asked to scrape the thumbnails, to scrape the transcripts, to get as much data as possible. And then this is the foundation for our report. But then to make it all more personalized and tailored to me, I also gave it a link to my YouTube channel. In your case, it might be a link to your Instagram account or LinkedIn account, or maybe even to your website. So it will be able to study what is your niche, what is your, let's say, specific competitive advantage against other people who are wanting to get your own audience. And then in my case, I asked it to transcribe every single video, to analyze the performance of the videos, to study what is my direction for the channel. And then we were combining it all together. So check out the link in the description down below. The setup guide is super easy. You'll be able to get started. Even if you're non-technical, it is all through this simple chat interface. You will never ever need to write any line of code, you're just saying it like ChatGPT, hey, just do this research for me. It will take some time, but don't worry. And now let's move on to the third part, which is the secret that made it 5x better. I have to be honest with you. The first version of the report that I was opening and reading, it was nothing close to this. Like, it was really type of insights that I'm reading, and I'm like, it's not really the right conclusion. Claude Code actually did not fully understand what made this specific channel successful, or many ideas, they were just so obvious, like, of course I knew that. It's no wonder that this is working. Like, apparently I knew that. Give me something that is actually way better than that. And that's why, to come up with this report, it was an iterative process. I think I did like 10 iterations. And for these iterations, I was using Whisper Flow. So I was basically reading the report that I got, and then I was like dictating to Claude Code, maybe let's say 5 minutes of my feedback, and telling, okay, dig deeper inside of this. Here you got a conclusion in a wrong way, so change this, or go with this channel in deeper analysis, or analyze my channel here deeper. You did not fully understand my audience, so go, do this research. And then I think in total I was dictating maybe like for 30 minutes my feedback. And after 10 iterations of the report, yes, we landed here. Because trust me, even though Claude Code is actually very smart, it is not aware about your target audience, about your business, about your, let's say, life wisdom and common sense. So you have to be patient to convey that. The tool is here to help you, but you have to be patient to actually explain the whole context. I was thinking about it the other day. Like, even if you ask Elon Musk for a business advice, he will not be able to solve your business in just 5 minutes. Just impossible, because he does not have the context. But if you will spend with him, let's say 24 hours, then probably like all of your business problems will be eliminated. He will explain to you, do this, do this, do this. That's why, because you actually want to dive deep and understand the whole picture, because details matter. On this note, check out the link in the description down below, install this system in less than 10 minutes and get starting with the iterating, with researching, with brainstorming, and then start making better content that gets more views. And if you're interested, here's another video where I'm using Claude Code to solve different marketing tasks, to create content, Instagram reels, visuals, to also do cold outreach, to create ads and analyze your competition. Check this out.